All right, welcome back. So in this activity, we're going to look at a keyboard input challenge activity called Changing Images as You Move. So it's code.org, and it is CS Discoveries. So if you look at this, it just says right now these conditionals can only do one thing: change the sprite's X or Y location. That's what's happening when we press key down, left, right, and up. It's changing the Y and the X axis. So it's allowing it to move. If I reset this and run it, like I can move up, I can move down, I can move left, and I can move right. But, you know, we can add more to this. And so inside of this conditionals, we're going to add another block. And you could add a lot more blocks to this, but we're just going to add one here to make this a little more customized. So it says a common thing to do in games is to change your character's image depending on which direction they're traveling. You're going to make a bug that always faces the direction it is moving. Make a bug that always faces the direction it's moving using the provided program and images. Duplicate your chosen bug image 4 times in the animation tab. So if we go here, we can take this bug and we can duplicate it, and then we can change it around. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to modify this here a moment, and we're going to say that this is to the left. So we keep track of that. Then we're going to duplicate this. Okay, so now this one, believe, we can flip vertically. So now we have that particular is facing the right. Okay, so we can do it that way. Then we can counterclockwise, so we can have it facing this way. But maybe what we want to do, let's check this one. Oh, and let's duplicate it a minute. I like that way for facing up. And then let's take, oh, definitely don't want to do that. So we'll keep our left. So we have up, right. Let's go ahead and duplicate one more. And this is going to be down. Okay. And let's rotate it, flip it vertically, and then this way. Yeah, let's have it be that. We'll go with that. All right. So now I have these 4 animations. Now I'm going to go to the code, and I'm going to use this animation block right here. We already have the character created. So what we really need to do is just change the animation of the character. So if we happen to press the up key, we're going to say that we're going to use the fly up. And then if we do down, we're going to go ahead and set that. It's going to move too. And then we're going to go ahead and set that to down. Same thing with the left. And one more for the right. Okay. So if we run this, unable to find an animation named fly. Oh, because we, gotcha. So let's, we'll do fly left, because that's what we originally had. So now here's our fly. We'll move it up, move it down, move it to the right, and move it to the left, and it changes its view. Perfect. So that's how you do that. Okay, you just go to animation. You can duplicate that. Make sure you change the name of it and make it relevant. If you don't make it relevant, you're not going to remember which one's which. And then you can go back here. You could use a bee as well, and I think they have a ladybug. I just chose the fly. And then just got to change those, set those animations in here. All right. All right. Hopefully that helps you with this and helps you with your coding. Good luck.